Shut up, Chris.
Fuck. That'll do.
You see?
I just feed it to you. You know, because you've
Hang
got
on.
it.
No.
Ready? No, don't touch the water.
What? Oh my god.
No. Watch the water. Fucking hell.
No, fuck that.
No. You void the bet if you have that within 5 minutes. No.
It gives you
Fair play to the kid.
Oh, you missed a bit, by the way.
Oh,
That's.
Come on. You might as well. You've done enough.
no.
Nice.
Oh my god.
I'm crying. That was amazing.
Are you crying?
My ears.
Let me see.
Oh my god. Oh. That's not even funny.
You want that?
You won 30 quid in fairness, Henstridge.
I'm never doing something.
What are you feeling?
Yeah, what does it feel
So
like?
much pain.
What's it like? Describe the pain.
Oh
Let me
my
see your
God.
eyes as well.
No, fuck off.
Describe the pain, Henstridge.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be sick.
No, don't go inside then.
Hand. Give him the 30 quid and we'll have a shot of his face.
You got the line upstairs.
Yeah, but just give him yours and I'll give it back to you. Give him 40. Oh no, give him. I can smell
Oh my god, he just boffed!
it. Oh my god, yeah.
Holy
He's
shit.
just boffed. Fuck.
Oh! That boff is gonna be spicy as fuck.
Oh my god.
Spicy boff!
This is funny. Are you alright, Henstridge?
You may have to take you to hospital. You alright, mate?
The hottest sauce in the world.
He just necks it.
Alex Henstridge. What a fucking legend this kid is.
Get a headshot. Do you want some water, mate?
I can't believe this.
I can't believe he's boff. Is it spicy or boff?
Is it okay? Here's the question: is it worth 30 quid?
No.
Is it spicy or boff?
Reed, get the camera out of my face.
Okay, sorry.